You guys hearing something? Check the bathroom.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Here we go!
Huh? You want mate?
The following is a statewide monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Missouri State Highway Patrol in Jefferson City and coordinated with the local broadcasters in your community. This is only a test.
System. Integer.com. Child. And now even like you did on.
State test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Missouri State Highway Patrol in Jefferson City and coordinated with the local broadcasters in your community. This is only a test. The following is a statewide monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Missouri State Highway Patrol in Jefferson City and coordinated with the local broadcasters in your community. This is only a test.
Right on time. Good job.
At 9:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the border.
I'm actually getting...
Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Radar. Intact. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams. Urban areas. St. Louis. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 63 degrees. This is a test of the NOAA radio alert system. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tower broadcasts the radio alert system. Special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. This test is normally
God damn it.
hazards. Today, it can again the forecast for Newton and surrounding areas of southeast normally conducted weekly around 11 a.m. Each hazardous weather is imminent or occurring. This test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KX 942 listening area: in Illinois, Marion, Vaughn, Clinton, Fayette, Jefferson, mostly dry and rain. A time. Player. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. This program originates from the National Weather Service forecast. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming. The service forecast for Shelbyville and surrounding areas of central Illinois. Today, rain showers likely early in the afternoon. Then chance of rain showers in the afternoon.
Alright. Let me get this straight. You test 2 minutes after St. Louis. Really? Because I was going to fix my wall mount for the zone guard over here, but all I heard was the attention toad starting, and you guys tested 2 minutes early. Really, Lincoln? Come on. Inconsistent. At least you... Wait, okay. Zone guard activated. The ER50, the ER210 activated. The 120 activated perfectly for the St. Louis test, but unrecognized message for Lincoln. And all these guys lit up for the St. Louis test. So yeah.